Just let it fall, let it all wash away. The sky turned gray around 2:30. Now I'm stuck inside with nothing much to do, watching droplets race down the cold clear glass, waiting for the heavy clouds to finally pass. I find a little peace in the rhythm of the fall, shadows dancing slowly on the bedroom wall. Old Polaroids scattered on the wooden floor remind me of the things I don't see anymore. The world is muffled in gray, it's a perfect kind of day.